Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday 17th May. So this analysis is for Monday only. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the coming weeks. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame, the beloved and my personal favorite too, 4 hours time frame. And if we just look at the chart, you can easily see that overall the trend of the market is towards the upside, and we can see that market has taken support at the 50 moving average again. Yes, I'm using the word again because previously market was taking support at the 50 moving average, and somehow it broke the support here in this portion, but again market is back on track, and again it's taking support at the 50 moving average, so which is a very good news. So 50 moving average, 50 MA is a valid support for the market. And as the market is in uptrend, so we will only be looking for buying opportunity. And as I always say, you should always stay with the trend. If you go against the trend, then it will be very difficult to make money. So you should always be looking for area of value. In this case, the area of value is near this support. Yes, this is an uptrend market, so area of value will be near this support, and for downtrend markets, the area of value is always near the resistance. Therefore, we need to find the perfect support or the best support so that we can go for the or we can match the risk to reward ratio in this case. Before jumping into the strategy, let me show you the weekly time frame. Yes, because weekly, if you watch my previous videos, then you know it very well that yes, I prefer to do multi time frame analysis to get a clear picture. So this is the weekly time frame, and in the weekly time frame we can see that market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern this week with price rejection from below. Previous week market formed a green candle. If we consider this week's candle and previous week's candle, then one thing is very clear to us that yes, buyers are present in the market. Buyers are present in the market. Try to understand the market psychology here. Buyers are present in the market because see, previous week market formed a green candle. This week sellers try to push the price downward, but buyers are still present. That's why they did not allow the price to go down. As a result, they push the price upward, and we can see a candlestick pattern like this, hammer kind of a pattern or pin bar kind of a pattern with good price rejection from below. Therefore, one thing is very clear to us that yes, buyers are still present in the market. And if we look at the overall chart, then there is no prominent support or resistance available. They are quite far away. This level is far away, and this 50 moving average is also quite far away. So as of now, the only thing that we need from the weekly chart is that the buyers are present in the market. And this chart is also telling us the same story for that yes, market is in uptrend, therefore it will only be wise to stay with the trend. Therefore if market goes up, hits this level and reverses, we will not short the market because market is in uptrend. So if you short the market here, if you short the market at this particular resistance here, then you may get trapped. If you have got experience, if you are an experienced trader, you know how to do scalping and all, then you can short the market if market reverses. Otherwise, if you are a beginner, you cannot afford to take risks, then you should not short the market. Do remember, always stay with the trend. So what should be our strategy then? As I've already mentioned, our strategy should be very clean and clear, and finding the area of value. So here area of value will be either at this level or above this level. So right now market is trading at 1.2144. okay, and market has resistance at this particular level, 1.2175. So after the market opening on Monday, watch the price, just observe the price, how it, where it goes. Okay, if you see that market is going up and market has crossed this level, 1.2175 level, if market crosses this level, then wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the price, how it is doing. If you see that price is trading comfortably, it is not struggling, then it will be a clear indication to us that the resistance has become the support. Once resistance becomes the support, then you can go for a buy above this line. On the other hand, okay, if market fails to cross the level and reverses, you should not short the market, because see, overall the trend of the market is towards the upside. So if you short the market, you may get trapped. You should not risk your money in a risky trade. Okay, therefore be safe. Okay, only buy if market crosses this level. Okay, so this is your first trading opportunity. Second trading opportunity will be if market comes down and hits this particular level again, 1.2050. okay, if market comes down and hits this particular level again, 1.2050 level, and you see that okay, 1.2050 level is providing required support, or 50 moving average, okay, or if you see that 50 moving average is providing the support to the market and market is about to bounce from here, okay, in case market comes on and if you see that price is about to bounce from here, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, otherwise, as long as market is trading in between this range, just avoid trade. This is your no trading zone, because see, if you go ahead and buy here right now, your risk to reward ratio does not match. And as I always say, do not compromise with the trading discipline. Okay, if you want to stay afloat on the market, if you want to be a successful trader, then you should not compromise with the trading discipline. Wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to come to you so that you get the best trading opportunity and the best price. Okay, so again I'm telling, the first trading opportunity will be if market crosses this level, this particular level. Let me draw again. If market crosses this particular level, 1.2175 level, and you see that market has crossed the level beautifully, no price struggling, okay, price is trading comfortably, then you can go for a buy order above this line. This is your first trading opportunity. On the other hand, if market comes down to this support level, okay, at this 1.2050 or at the 50 moving average, you see that market is taking support, okay, then also you can go for buy order. Okay, but do remember one thing, that confirmation is important. Okay, if market comes down to the support level, wait for the confirmation. Confirmation can be in the form of a hammer or a green candle like this, or price rejection from below. Once you get a confirmation that yes, it is a valid support, market is getting the required support, you can go for a buy order. Okay, otherwise, if market reverses from here, do not short the market. You will be going against the trend and you may get trapped. If you are an experienced trader, you know how to do scalping, then you can go for trading. Otherwise only follow the two trading opportunities that I have just mentioned. Okay, so that you do not lose your hard-earned money. This is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.